Pogo bleed verification.
GNC verify stage 2 TVC motion nominal.
FAA reports there a go. Still waiting
Stage
final
1
word
secured.
on this thrust vector control system issue. Should have a word on that in about the next minute or so.
MVAC fuel bleed secured. Strong vac secure, 88.5 degrees. MVAC igniter purge is complete.
Flight computer will begin its final checks at T-minus 1 minute. And the tanks will be brought up to flight pressure at T-minus 1 minute.
Secured. Falcon 9's on internal power. M1D fuel bleed's complete.
Terminal count starts at T-minus 30 seconds.
Vehicles in self-align. Stage 1, Stage 2, cryo-helium secured for flight. MVAC engine shells complete.
VC verify AFTS is ready for launch. AFTS is ready for launch. VC DC verify Falcon 9 and Dragon are in startup.
Falcon 9's in startup.
Dragon's in startup.
Stage 1, Stage 2, press for flight.
LD verify go for launch. T-minus 30. T-minus 20. Hold.
Just had a hold in the countdown.
Launch support has started.
We have aborted the countdown at T-minus 13 seconds.
Clock has stopped. VCGC, stand by on FireX.
Copy, standing by.
Dragon, verify the Dragon is aborted.
Has aborted.
Copy that.
Dragon and Falcon 9 are aborted for
Verify FTS. It's safe. FTS is saved. Copy. Standing by for strong back raise.
strong back going back into position. This appears to be related to the second stage thrust vector control system concern. Not able to come to a complete concern. And no word from the launch director that they did terminate the countdown because they did not fully understand what they're seeing in this second stage thrust vector control system issue. They are positioning for a 24-hour scrub turnaround while they go look into this further. We will have a briefing at noon to discuss the issue as SpaceX understands it up to that point. And the range has been informed that we have officially scrubbed for 24 hours. Stage 2 thrust vector control system issue. Don't have the details on that yet, but apparently they did not feel comfortable, did not have a consensus on exactly what they observed, where they felt safe enough to continue down to T0. For a launch tomorrow, our lunch time would be 9:38 a.m. Eastern Time. Other than that, though, it was a very smooth countdown. They attempted to go as far down in the countdown as they possibly could before scrubbing today's attempt. Everything else worked very well on the countdown. There's just one thing that I just don't completely understand and didn't have a real consensus among the launch engineers.
Safing.
The launch aboard is complete. Safing is underway. So the scrub turnaround activities now that will occur out at the pad, those are starting and are going nominally. We'll have a team out at the pad as soon as we can detank.
So is,
We are good to release roadblocks at LZ1.
Roger. They have to reestablish the other areas, and then once we'll do that in a few minutes.
Copy that.
And the targeted launch time for tomorrow is 9:38:59 nominally. Initial roadblocks being released.